Hey everybody, it's Bruce. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a pin without a lathe and without a pin kit. But I'm going to recommend you don't make this pin because it was a huge pain in the butt. Maybe you guys can do it better than me or faster, but I don't even want to tell you how much time I spent on this. So, this video is how not to make a pin. Enjoy! Then the worst imaginable thing that could happen pretty much did happen. I broke the pin. The ink piece got stuck too deep in and I was trying to pull it out, and as I pulled it out I broke the pin. So I don't know if I'll be able to repair this or not, but yeah, that stinks. Whoops. I'll say one thing, if you ever do something like this, my recommendation is don't use plywood. It's kind of been a pain. Now this part here and this part here is not plywood, and that part was much easier.